Morning campers, welcome to day, we're making progress. The last thing in here is this panel wall and the kitchen. We'll take you through a quick explanation of the kitchen. First of all, obviously the battery, take it out, disconnect it, because there's a lot of hidden wires and stuff which are still live and you don't want to be starting cutting stuff. So first thing we did was that. Here is the kitchen. Couple of doors which we took off, a couple of drawers in here. Here's the famous fridge. It's not that big, so yeah, I think it might have to go, but it's a very good fridge. Works on gas, electric. Here's the gas water heater boiler, which is one of those instant things. As soon as you open the tap it comes on. It's also connected to the gas. Here's the cooker, also connected to the gas. You see where I'm going with this. Here's the water tap sink. It's quite a long area actually. It's quite generous, I would say. I'm not sure if we need all of that. It is quite nice.
Yes, we do.
Okay, we do. Under here he's got the gas bottles. There is some ventilation in the wall there. Obviously what we need to do is disconnect the gas bottles first, take them out, and we can start pulling apart the cupboards piece by piece. So yeah, quite excited about this one. It's the last hurdle for us to open it up and start planning. There we have Febreze textile, I don't know what it is, but yeah, there's all kinds of stuff coming out of this bus, which is quite cool.
Wow.
But for the size of it, it's quite a bulky thing. You don't get much of a fridge compartment. So I think the newer ones are a lot more efficient space-wise.
Cool.
Well, here we have the guts of the water boiler heater thing, instant water, which is quite cool. It's quite complicated, but actually it's quite simple as well. And my understanding of it, you guys please correct me out there because I know I'm getting it wrong. But your gas comes in here, feeds into there. There is a spark ignition somewhere if you want to have it. If you want to have it on permanently or all the time. Normally if the water starts coming through, it senses a drop in pressure and it ignites by itself. I think he said this one wasn't working properly anymore, it needed a match or something to light the, because the spark wasn't working. But yeah, it's really cool. It's a copper, I'm not sure how much water this holds, but as it's on demand, as the water's flowing through, it gets heated really quickly. So that's really cool because you don't have a reservoir, and when that's empty, the next guy's got no water, right? So yeah, we're going to take this off now. This goes through the roof. You can see it was on very securely.
Wow.
There we go. Now we can take these off. And that was easy.
Oh, it's really cool.
Here you can see the remnants or the carcass of the kitchen cupboards, and it's quite amazing what you can do with a couple of pieces of wood. That's different. There's a piece there. It's probably old salvage and old pieces you could find, but actually it all works. I mean, I'm not criticizing it, I'm just saying it's quite interesting to see what you can find behind all these panels. Here's one other reason for tearing apart the camper van, and this is a gas pipe, and you see what it says there. Hope you can read that. It says replaced before 2016. So yeah, that's just one of the little things. You never know what's going on behind the panels. Just while you're there, take it off, have a look. Look at that. Will come in.
Wow, man. Alrighty then. Black and fuzzy. Oh shit, sorry. Didn't realise there was just one left. Insulation was certainly doing something. Cool. Getting all the icky bit stuff off. Now we can clean up. And we've pretty much got a clean bus to start with. It's very exciting. We can measure up everything. We'd love to keep the curve of this wall so you can actually see it instead of it going straight down. Yeah. It's very exciting. So the bus is empty. As you can see, it looks amazing. We're busy mocking up some ideas. We're thinking of maybe putting the toilet here and the shower next to it. But our bed will be over there. It's the only thing that's really going to be static.